This carrier unit is a control head used for controlling the AC installed in a reefer truck. The display unit came to us from a large trucking company with many reefers in the fleet, and we were able to provide a 1-week repair time for them to get their trailer cool again. This controller had a bad display, and we performed a complete rebuild to ensure it will last. As shown in the video, it fully boots up, and we also monitor the communication channel coming out of the system. At ERD, we help preserve the value of equipment after the OEM either no longer supports it or pieces for the equipment become scarce due to various issues. We take great pride in maintaining systems that make a wide variety of products in several different industries.